We finally have more news about Xbox restructuring. Xbox announced a few weeks back that they want to restructure Xbox as a business to make it profitable, agile, and all these things. Today, Asha Sharma has actually done a long tweet. I'm not going to call it X, where she talks about exactly what this is going to entail.
Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview.
Xbox is going to get rid of 3,200 positions, 1,600 immediately, and 3,200 total during fiscal year 2027. That is one of the first things that we know about what they're doing. We're going to be losing some studios, but supposedly they're not getting completely shut down. They're going to be kind of, I'm going to say, sold off or return to the original management. I'm going to go into that in a little bit. One of the things that we've seen based on her message is that Xbox was pretty much a bloated company, a bloated division. And one of the reasons that she provides for that is all the acquisitions that Xbox has been doing. Xbox pretty much has been doing a lot of acquisitions when they didn't have the need or capability for those acquisitions. And pretty much is kind of what she summarized it to. That wasn't worth what Xbox paid for. And this is, of course, going back to the Phil Spencer time in management, where Phil Spencer went on an acquisition spree. And I feel that the reason why they did it is because they saw this as a way to compete with PlayStation and, of course, other gaming companies in order to acquire different studios that could somehow bring up the Xbox brand and make people want to buy Xbox or be on Xbox in order to play the games from the studios that they were acquiring, which, as we know, didn't really work the way they were expecting it to do. It's pretty much betting on gaming studios in order to make your brand relevant. And that clearly didn't work, as we've seen Game Pass shut up in price. A lot of people canceled. They have brought it back down in price in order to try to gain those players back with Xbox. The picture that she provides is a really dire picture where she says that for every dollar that Xbox invested, they lost 64 cents, meaning that the majority of money that Xbox invested in gaming went out the window. That's kind of how she explains all the layoffs that are going to be taking place, all the changes that are going to be taking place. She did say that her job is to make it smaller in order for it to be more agile and in order for it to work better and hopefully become, I'm assuming, a profitable division. Because here we have what's going to happen with the studios. We have Compulsion Games and Double Fine Productions will return to management and transition to independent studios with their IP, catalog, and runway for the next games. So what that means is that these studios are going to become independent again, and that Microsoft Xbox is going to give them some money in order for that studios to continue functioning. And of course, whatever IP they have, the rights revert to them. Technically, I'm sure there's some sort of clause there that says that Microsoft gets maybe a cut or first crack at stuff or something like that, since they're also providing some funding. Next, we have Ninja Theory and Undead Labs have entered terms to join new ownership with funding to complete and grow Senua and State of Decay 3. I feel that this is pretty self-explanatory. This means that they have sold these studios and they're going to provide some funding to these studios as well in order to complete Senua, which is one of the games that was announced, and State of Decay 3, which was also a game that was announced. And so we're going to see how those games progress under new management and new ownership. Again, I'm assuming there's a clause or somewhere that says that Xbox gets first crack, maybe some sort of exclusivity window or something, since they're technically the ones who were developing that project. In France, Arcane's management is beginning to require consultation with its works council to review potential strategic options. Now, this last one is a little different because it's a studio in France, and of course, they have a different process. They have unions and stuff that they got to go through in order to figure out what's going to happen with the staff there, if they're going to close it or sold it. Owner supposedly has offered to buy the studio. I don't know if it's a joke or not, but supposedly he tweeted at Ash Sharma asking how much. So the studio might revert back to the original owner and then we'll see what happens. from there. She did mention that there are some departments that have so many layers of management that you have to go through one and the other and the other and the other until you finally get to the top, hopefully, in order to get something done. And so one of the things that she's doing is she's removing layers in those departments. She's having some divisions report directly to her. For example, Mahjong and King is going to report directly to her. She said that those are the ones that make the most money and have the most engagement with users, which makes sense. Of course, Minecraft, which is a gigantic game, and King, which is global gaming. And I think they do Candy Crush. So it makes sense that those are the divisions that are going to be the biggest one and the most healthy ones within Xbox. But it's interesting to read this because, again, it shows us how bad Xbox was and how dire the situation was at Xbox while Phil Spencer was there. Before Ashish Sharma took over, it clearly tells you that under Phil Spencer's tutelage, Xbox was just not going to exist, pretty much. And the fact that Xbox still exists right now feels like a miracle after reading what she said. Of course, it really sucks to see what's happening at Xbox for now. But there's so many people who are going to lose their jobs. I think it was just a matter of time that this was going to happen at some point, and here we are. What do you think about what Xbox is doing now? Do you think that this is going to make any changes to Xbox? Will Xbox be sold off? Let me know in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up. You really help the channel. Go ahead on, hit that bell so you can be alerted every time I have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.